What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name is Craig. We're going to be going over the Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum prices. Not a whole lot of news going on today. We usually do some news before. The only thing really going on right now is the Trump and EU trade negotiation for the 15% tariff. We'll see what happens there, but we're going to take a look at the charts. I'm going to give you my targets. I'm also going to go over my current trades. So that sounds good. Stick around. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the video. Also, make sure you subscribe to the video if you're not subscribed already, and make sure you share it. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we'll start out by looking at the traditional markets. As of right now, the making of this video, Dow Jones is down 157 points, S&P's up 11, NASDAQ is down or up 29. Let's take a look at what's going on in the charts. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. So this is our daily chart, right? This was a target we had for breaking out of this trend line here. It was 123.7 to 123.8. We did hit, what exactly was it? 123.4. So we didn't quite hit that target. Still a chance we come up and tag this, but we'll see what happens there. I also have some, we're going to look at the 4 hour and kind of look at what I think might be happening, but watch this area down here. If we do come back for a retest around 109.4, again, I'll show you guys where I'm at with my trades, but first off, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So this is what we're watching on the 4 hour. And I know we only had one touch on the bottom, but I like alternative touches, and I'm going to show you why and how these work for wedges and triangles, right? So let's pull up, where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So this would technically be like a B, and then our C is the opposite touch or alternative touch. And then we would be looking, whoops, I'm going to have to pull out a different one. Sorry. We need to go all the way to E. So that would look like this. So if we go up here, A, B, C, we should get a touch. If this plays out as a descending wedge, right, then we would get one more touch up here, and then the breakdown, right? So technically, unless one of these trend lines are breaking, you don't want to get in a trade. If we break here to the upside, it's a good possibility, not a guarantee, right? It could get a fake out and come back down, but if it does hold support and come up, we break this area, which is currently around 119.8, 119,800. We break that area and hold this support. It's a good chance we get up to this 127 target way up here. Now, on the other hand, if it happens like this, we get another touchdown here, come up for a retest here, and then down, and we break down past this 115,650-ish range, then we're looking more towards the 109 to 107, 108 to 109, right? You can look at the high volume nodes. Those also match up with the measured move. So there's really no support in here. So if we break this, we'll probably go down pretty quick. Obviously, there will be little bounces, but it'd probably go down pretty quick here. So just be cautious, be careful there, guys. It's looking like we might see a crazy move soon. Once we break out of this, I think it's going to get pretty fun, pretty fast. A lot of money to be made. Make sure you're watching it. Let's take a look at my trades. My current trades right now, I'm up 16,000. We've been in this trade for like a week. Longer term trade. Our stops are at 120. Where the hell am I? 121. If I get stopped out, it's still 2,500 bucks profit. We did get closed. Oh, Prime XBT. This is the last. We got about a week left of 70% off trading fees. If you haven't signed up, make sure you do. Use my link down below. Also, you could trade crypto, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything all from one exchange. You can trade your crypto, use your crypto to trade traditional markets or Forex or whatever you wish to do. Definitely check them out if you haven't already. And by using my link, you get up to a $7,000 bonus, a deposit bonus. So worth checking out. Prime XBT and BITUNIX are both sponsors of this channel. Both of them are exchanges I prefer, but everybody's different. So if you are looking for no VPN, no KYC, BITUNIX is the one for you. If you're looking to trade traditional markets and crypto, Prime XBT. So anyways, here's my trade here. We got stopped out in a little bit of profit. It was like $200 profit on the trade I'd been showing you yesterday. You can look and it tells you what was going on. But as of right now, we're up 38%, 357. We got back in, but it's less than 1 Bitcoin. It's a 0.6 Bitcoin short. But again, if we drop below this bottom trend line, and I believe I'm going to add to this pretty much. I'm definitely going to add on my prime. That one's doing really well. But again, guys, there's a chance we break to the upside here. Could go as high as 127. So keep that in mind. Now for XRP. So let's take a look at something. Let's go. I don't know why this is in view mode only. Let me reset this and see what's going on. There we go. Okay, so if we go back all the way back here, right, we made this trend line a long time ago, and I said if we broke this, right, we would take a measured move, and that would get us up to that 30 or 391. We almost hit that. Not quite yet. We could be topped out, but we also still have room to go hit that, especially if Bitcoin makes a big push up. We also have a measured move of this falling wedge here from the breakout right to the same area. Right around $3.90. Now, if this breaks, we had talked about it, we have another target as high as $4.71. So keep an eye on this. A lot's going to depend on what happens with the markets. As you all know, they're being manipulated like never before with social media, with politicians, with CEOs. I mean, they've always done it, but it's really gotten bad here. There's a lot of euphoria. Just be cautious and be careful. But let's take a look at Ethereum. So this is our target for Ethereum for a very long time, right? We had our touch on the top, touch on the bottom, touch on the top, touch on the bottom, touch on the top. Now, we talked about that in the Bitcoin price. Let's take a look at what this would mean for Ethereum. If this was A, B, whoops, I gotta fix that. Let me fix that. We would start down here, right? This is your A. This is your B, touch on the bottom. This is your C, touch on the top. This is your D, touch on the bottom, which we had these targets, if you guys have been paying attention. And this will be E. We could still go up to that 3,915, or it finished here. It could go either way, guys. But if we break up here, we have a very bullish target of 8,150. That's if we break this, let's just call it $4,000. If we break that, there's a good chance we're going to 81.5. Now, on the downside, right? I gave you guys these numbers a very long time ago. Our downside numbers are right here. Obviously, this bottom trend line again is going to be 1592, and then if that breaks, we could go to 669, and then as low as 210 possibly. Now, I've talked about it for a long time. I believe there's a good possibility. It's not necessarily going to happen, but something you need to be aware of is we could see all stocks, all markets, all crypto go back to 2020 levels. It only makes sense because everything has been out of control in euphoria straight up since then. But I could be wrong. No matter what, we trade this up, we trade this down. Either way, we can make money no matter what way the market goes. Definitely, if you are interested in trading, get into it, do some practice, set up a strategy, you learn about risk management, and money is unlimited, right? It's like the markets are an endless bank account if you can learn to trade. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, smash the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out these videos up top on tutorials on how to trade on Prime XBT and BITUNIX, and I'll catch you in the next one.